it's very important to make sure that our additional safety features, our locks on the side of the filter, have engaged. Once again, we're going to go ahead and bleed the air filter so we can make sure the pressure, the water, comes all the way up to the top of the filter. I'm turning on the filter, the pump, and bleeding the air out. You want to stay clear from the filter just in case it has not locked in correctly, because it could be very dangerous if this thing isn't screwed in correctly. It could pop out and hurt you. Once again, read your clean filter, mark that down, and once we get that clean PSI pressure, once we get 8 degrees higher, it's time to give it another filter change, approximately at the most every 6 months.